Tonight with breaking news in a local child murder case. Jury deliberations are now underway in the trial of Kimberly Fry.
Fry is accused of strangling her 8-year-old daughter Camden to death in their North Kingstown home back in 2009. And today, both sides delivered closing arguments before the case was handed to the jury. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us live now from Washington County Superior Court with the breaking developments.
Think of this as a tale of two deaths, competing versions of the death of young Camden Fry, one from a defense lawyer and another from a state prosecutor. Kimberly Fry's face and body revealed deep emotions throughout 2.5 hours of arguments today about why she killed her own daughter, 8-year-old Camden Fry, 2 years ago. Defense lawyer Sarah Wright went first and spoke to the jury for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Her essential argument is that Kimberly Fry didn't mean to kill her daughter during a tantrum over taking a bath. Sarah Wright called Camden Fry's death a tragic and unintentional accident. She argued that the prosecution was unable to prove otherwise beyond a reasonable doubt and that Kimberly Fry, quote, never indicated a desire or an attempt to hurt or harm Camden in any way. Sarah Wright argued that Kimberly Fry had successfully sat on Camden once before to stop one of her tantrums, and that she didn't know that, quote, just sitting on her can keep her from getting enough air to stay alive. But the prosecutor, Stephen Regine, painted a dramatically different picture of the killing of Camden. He ran a stopwatch for 5 full minutes while the jury sat in silence and watched the seconds tick by. He said 5 minutes was the midpoint of the time between 4 and 6 minutes that both medical examiners testified was the length of time Kimberly Fry kept pressure on her daughter. Stephen Regine argued the ongoing pressure is, quote, wanton disregard for the probability of death or great bodily harm. The prosecutor said Camden had a right to have a tantrum and that he urged the jurors to have, quote, the courage to stand up to the big words of accidental and tragic and unintentional and say murder, because that's what happened here. That's what happened here. With that, the jury began their deliberations. They'll be back at it here again tomorrow. Live at Superior Court with the South County Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.